Okay, here is a very fast lesson on the 12-bar blues. The first thing you need to know about a 12-bar blues is that it's based on 3 chords. The 1-7 chord, so like for instance, if we're in A, the A7 chord. The 4-7 chord, Roman numeral IV is 4-7 chord, so in the key of A, it'd be a D7 chord. And then the 5-7 chord, which in the key of A would be an E7 chord. And it does the same pattern pretty much all the time. Here's the Roman numerals of that. So it's a measure of 1, another measure of 1, another, and a 4th measure of 1. The second part of the phrase is a 4 chord, another measure of 4, a 1, and a 1 again. Then it does that bottom, which this is called a turnaround. It goes 5, 4, 1, 1, a measure of each. Again, this is called the turnaround. That's the easiest part to hear of the blues. This is a typical 12-bar blues pattern, and all kinds of people have done this all kinds of different ways. Let's listen to a shuffle version of a 12-bar blues. Red, go to the 4 chord. Up to the 1. 5, 4, 1. Does it again. Now we're going to do this in the actual key. 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 chord, also known in this case as D7. Back to the 1. 5 chord. 4, 1, 1. Now, whether it's a shuffle or it's straight, people usually do these kind of the same way. So let's find another. Here, this is a funky 12-bar blues. This is in the key of B flat. So we'll just do this in. Going to the 4 chord. So we're in B flat, so that would make this an E flat 7, back to the B flat 7. Turnarounds 5, 4, 1, 1. Now it doesn't matter what key or what tempo you're playing, you just have to understand that it always moves at the same rate. So we're going to do a little bit of a slow one. In key of G, no commercial, no commercial.
You need a website. Why not do it yourself?
Key of G. Slower. So the exact same thing is going to happen, just slow. 2, 3, 4. Going to the 4 chord. 3, 4, 1. Back to the 1 chord. Here we go. They do a 5 chord here at the end on that recording, which is really common to put a 5 chord here or a quick 4 here, but we're going to stick with this real typical blues. What you want to do is use the play-alongs. There'll be a link to the playlist with a bunch of blues play-alongs. And if you don't know how to play these 7th chords, there should be a link on the screen for a lesson on how 7th chords work. Okay.